Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Roborock Saros Z70 robot vacuum and mop. I've looked through information available across the internet, compared it with other flagship robot vacuums, and gathered user feedback to help you decide whether this premium robot cleaner is worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest highlight is the OmniGrip Mechanical Arm. This 5-axis robotic arm can pick up lightweight objects like socks, tissues, slippers, or small toys weighing up to 300 grams. During its first cleaning pass, the robot identifies obstacles, moves them aside, and then returns to clean the areas that were previously blocked. This solves one of the biggest problems robot vacuums have always faced. Cleaning performance is equally impressive. With up to 22,000 pascals of suction power, the Saros Z70 easily handles dust, pet hair, crumbs, and larger debris across both carpets and hard floors. The redesigned main brush reduces hair tangles, while the side brush is engineered to minimize wrapping, making it especially appealing for homes with pets. The mopping system is another flagship feature. The robot uses hot water mopping with adjustable water flow and high-speed spinning mop pads to remove sticky spills and dried stains more effectively than traditional robot mops. On carpets, the mop automatically lifts to keep rugs dry while continuing to vacuum. Navigation is powered by the StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 with advanced AI obstacle avoidance. It can recognize over 100 different object types, including furniture, cables, shoes, and pet bowls, allowing it to clean efficiently without getting stuck. Through future software updates, users will also be able to teach the robot to recognize additional custom objects. Another impressive upgrade is the AdaptiLift Chassis. The robot automatically raises itself to cross door thresholds and uneven flooring while maintaining stability. Combined with its ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile, it easily reaches underneath sofas, beds, cabinets, and other low furniture where dust often collects. The included multi-function dock 4.0 makes ownership almost completely hands-free. It automatically empties the dust bin, washes the mop pads with hot water, dries them using warm air, dispenses detergent, cleans itself, and can provide up to 7 weeks of automatic dust collection before requiring attention. Pet owners receive several exclusive features as well. The built-in cameras allow live video viewing of your pets, schedule home patrols, and even pet snapshots during cleaning. The robot also recognizes pet areas, reduces disturbances when animals are nearby, and increases suction in locations where pet hair commonly accumulates. The Roborock app remains one of the best in the industry. You can create multi-floor maps, set no-go zones, customize cleaning schedules, control the robotic arm, monitor maintenance, and even use the built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant without needing an internet connection. Support for Alexa, Google Home, and upcoming Matter compatibility makes it even more versatile. Of course, there are a few considerations. This is one of the most expensive robot vacuums available, and many of its smartest features rely on the companion app and future software updates. The robotic arm is also designed for lightweight household items rather than heavy objects. So, would I recommend buying the Roborock Saros Z70? Absolutely. If you're looking for one of the most advanced robot vacuums on the market, this is a true next-generation product. Its powerful cleaning performance, intelligent navigation, innovative OmniGrip arm, premium self-maintenance dock, and excellent pet-friendly features make it one of the best robotic cleaners currently available. If you'd like to check the latest price, click the link below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.